There are so many dams around the world that are very dangerous. Even a small manipulation with these dams can kill millions of people living in the proximity. So, in our today's video, we will be showing you a list of top 10 most dangerous dams in the world. Without further ado, let's begin. Contra Dam. The Contra Dam, most commonly known as the Versaca Dam in Tiziano, Switzerland. It is perhaps one of the most famous dams for its epic appearance in the opening scene of 1995 James Bond movie, GoldenEye. Contra Dam is a slender concrete arch dam standing at a height of 722 feet, 220 mt, with a crest length of 1,247 feet, 80 mt. Because of the dam's slender design, the volume of concrete required to construct it was reduced, which consequently cut down the cost of construction. The dam's base is 292 feet, 8 mt, in width and gradually tapers up to 723 feet, 7 mt, at the crest. Two spillways were incorporated to each side of the structure, which has a maximum discharge capacity of 1,300 cubic meters per second. Contra Dam also produces power through its 105 megawatt power station, which uses 3 by 35 MW franchise turbines to generate an average of 234 GHW per year. The Gorges Dam. Located in southwest Tasmania in Australia, Gorges Dam is a double curvature concrete arch dam. One of the dam's amazing features is that it's curved both in the vertical and horizontal directions to resist large hydraulic pressure coming from the 12,359,040 megaliters of water in Lake Gorges, the largest lake in Australia. The immense volume of water is diverted 600 feet, 183 mt, to the underground power station, where 3 hydro turbines can generate up to 432 megawatts of power. Approximately 13% of Tasmania's electricity demands is provided by the Gorges Power Station. Out of the 48 arch dams that have been built in Australia, Gorges Dam is one of the only 9 that is designed as a double curving dam. Monticelle Dam. This 305-foot, 93 mt, concrete arch dam in California, USA, is one of the coolest dams in the world because of its mesmerizing spillway, sometimes referred to, unfortunately, as the glory hole. The spillway is an uncontrolled morning glory type with a tip diameter of 72 feet, 22 mt, and sits within the parameters of Lake Berryessa, the second largest man-made lake in California. It can drain 48,400 cubic feet per second of water during the lake's peak level, which occurs when the lake rises by 15 feet, 4.7 mtr, above the spillway's lip. The exit end of the spillway is also famous as a full pipe for skateboarders. Monticelle Dam impounds the Puda Creek and can generate 56,806,000 kilowatts per hour of battery annually using 2 by 5 MW and 1 by 1.5 MW turbines. Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam is one of the most iconic dams around the world, stretching between the American state of Nevada and Arizona. Originally called the Boulder Dam, this colossal structure stands at a height of 726 feet, 221.4 mt, with a base width of 656 feet, 200 mt, and a crest width of 46 feet, 14 mt. It's a concrete gravity arch dam that was constructed with the purpose of controlling floods, provide irrigation water, produce hydroelectric power, store water, and create recreation area. The hydropower station houses various turbines, including a 1 by 61.5 MW franchise turbine and a 2 by 2.4 MW Peloton turbine, which produces an annual electric output of 4.2 TWh. One of the most involved preparations made for the construction of Hoover Dam was the diversion of the Colorado River away from the site. Three Gorges Dam. Known as the world's largest hydropower dam, the Three Gorges Dam stretches out 1.4 miles, 2.3 kilometers to span and impound Yangtze River in the Hubei province of China. Capable of producing 87 TWh of electricity per annum, this hydropower dam uses 32 by 700 MW and 2 by 50 MW franchises turbines. Its structural profile is designed with a large base width of 377 feet, 115 mt, and a taper of 31 feet, 40 mt, at the crest. Intended not only to produce electricity, the Three Gorges Dam was also constructed to increase the shipping capacity of the Yangtze River and mitigate the chances of flooding downstream by providing large water storage space. Almendra Dam. One of Spain's tallest structures, the Almendra Dam, also known as Vilariño Dam, is located in the country's province of Salamanca. Impounding the Tormes River, the concrete gravity arch dam is part of the hydroelectric system known as the Douro Drops. The Douro Drop system is composed of 5 dams from Spanish and 3 other dams nearby Portugal. The spillway seen in the photo below can disperse water at a rate of 3,039 cubic meters per second. Itaipu Dam. This fascinating hydroelectric dam stretches 25,981 feet, 7,919 mt, along the border of Brazil and Paraguay, impounding the Parana River. It beats the Three Gorges Dam in terms of power output at an average 89.5 TWh per annum by using 20 by 700 MW franchise turbines. 10 of the turbines generate power for Paraguay, while the other 10 bring power to Brazil. Itaipu Dam is, in fact, a series of 4 dams: a concrete winding dam, a man-constructed dam, a rock-filled dam, and the earth-filled dam. Impressively, the immense volume of concrete used in constructing the dam was properly cured using large refrigeration units equivalent to 50,000 deep freezers. Another mind-blowing fact about the dam is that the Guara Falls, once known as the world's most amazing water feature, was submerged underwater when the Itaipu Reservoir was filled. Caribbea Dam. One of the largest in Africa, the Caribbea Dam supplies 1,626 milliwatts of power to the Copperbelt areas of both Zambia and Zimbabwe. Impounding the Zambezi River, the Caribbea Dam is outfitted with 10 types of Francis turbines capable of outputting an average of 6,400 gigawatts per hour of electrical power per year. The dam was designed as a double-curvature concrete arch dam to effectively resist the 180 cubic kilometers of water pressure against it. Because of the immense volume of water from the created Caribbea Reservoir, more than 6,000 animals had to be rescued by Operation Noah as the Caribbea Gorge was flooded. Mussel Dam. Mussel Dam, formerly known as Saddam Dam, is a type of earth-filled dam constructed on the Tigris River in Iraq. It is located approximately 60 kilometers from the Mosul city in the northwest region. The construction of the dam started back in 1981 and was completed on 7th July 1986. The impounding of Mussel Dam Reservoir increased the rate of dissolution of the rocks. This had led to the sudden appearance of sinkholes in the area. The bedding planes under the foundation of the dam represent weak areas which had eased the water movement along these surfaces. Idukki Dam. The Idukki Dam, one of the highest arch dams in Asia, spilled into the Periyar River in Kerala after a long gap of 26 years. This naturally became a talking point nationally in the context of the heavy monsoon rains. James Wilson, an engineer with the Kerala State Electricity Board and member of the Mullaperiyar Special Cell, says if the dam bursts, the flash flood will reach Idukki Reservoir within 45 minutes, washing away parts of these villages and towns between these dams and affecting about 70,000 people living there. So guys, let me know down in the comments section below, have you ever visited any of these dams? For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video!